everybody. So we're here to talk about powers of 10. And just remind everybody what the powers of 10 are, and so we can remember when we work with them. There are patterns to help us remember what they are. So the first power of 10 is 10 to the power of 0. And that equals just simply 1. Okay, so 10 to the power of 0 is 1. 10 to the power of 1 tells us that I have 1 copies of 10, so that's just 10. And then 10 to the power of 2 tells me I have 2 copies of 10, so I need to think 10 times 10, which equals 100. And I want to remind you that there's a little pattern that you can kind of see, that when we have the exponent 2 and we have 2 copies of 10, there also ends up with 2 zeros in that power of 10, that 100. Let's see if it works for the next one, and that's 10 to the power of 3, which is 3 copies of 10. And I know that 10 times 10 is 100, and 100 times 10 equals 1,000. And so again, I'm going to think, is there a pattern here? Let's see, the exponent is 3 copies of 10, and then, oh, look at that, 3 zeros in the answer. I'm going to erase this so I don't have that in the way every time. And then 10 to the power of 4 is 4 copies of 10. So 10 times 10 times 10 times 10 equals, let's see. So we have 4 copies of 10, and we know that 10 times 10 is 100, and 10 times 10 is 100, and 100 times 100 is 10,000. And look again, there's the exponent 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 copies of 10, and 4 zeros in the results or the answer. So if we have 5 copies of 10, we are kind of thinking at this point that that pattern is going to continue. 5 equals, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 zeros. And then, of course, I want to come back and do my digits, or my commas, digit, comma. So 5 copies of 10 is 100,000. Let's see if the pattern helped. 5 is the exponent, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is the zero amount. And then, of course, we have 10 copies of 6, or 10 to the 6th power, which is 10 times 10 times 10 times 10 times 10 times 10, or 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 copies of 10 equals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then we'll do our commas. Digit, comma, digit, comma. Whoa. So 10 to the 6th power is 1 million. And I have 6 zeros, just like I have 6 in the exponent. Okay? So I hope these are getting easier and easier for you to remember, because they have this great pattern and because we work with them all the time. I wonder if you can figure out what is 10 to the 9th power. Have a great day.